I need you to go get the hammer and hit just a few of my toes really hard. That way I can sleep in.
Hello, this is Levi with Henley's Happy Trails. We finished our fifth day, I think it was the fifth day, of the beet harvest, and it's about 9 o'clock at night probably, and tiredness has ensued. It was a busy day. Now that the all the dirt has dried up and everything, and the trucks can turn around, we're putting through a lot of trucks. We did a little over 700 trucks between two pilers today. So we were moving most of the time. The scale house was busy. The pilers were definitely very busy. The nice thing about day shift as opposed to night shift last year, the weather is warmer. So, I mean, through part of the day I was actually in a short sleeve t-shirt. I think the hottest it got was about like 60, maybe 61-ish. When we got there in the morning it was pretty chilly, but it warmed up really fast within the first hour or two, and then of course as the evening went on it cooled down. But it was pretty much just a busy day. That's all I have to say about that. The photo that you're looking at is a photo of a sugar beet, and we were told today that one sugar beet makes approximately 1 packet of sugar. So there's a packet of American Crystal sugar in a sugar packet and a sugar beet, so that's what it ends up becoming. With that idea in mind, though, if you look at a beet pile, imagine the millions and millions of sugar packets that is in that pile.